How to add footer to your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be basically for those who cannot really find the footer in their Wix website. Well, in this case, you probably just chose a different layout which does not include the footer. So what you need to do is just go ahead and open up your Wix website editor, and then from here you would want to go to the left panel where you will find pages and menu here. So just go ahead and click on that, and then from here you would want to just go ahead and click on the home page, for example, and click on the three dots, and you will find the settings tab here. So just go ahead and click on that, and then from here we can just go ahead and find the layout option, and in here is just going to give us two options. Now you should be in the no header and footer option, since you can't really find the footer here. So if that's the case, you would want to just go ahead and click on the standard one, and you can see already automatically it's going to show up the header. And if we just go ahead and scroll down, we can actually find the footer too, as you can see over here. And you can obviously adjust the footer to your liking here within the settings that you have, mostly within the change footer design here, where you can actually go ahead and change the color and opacity of it. You can change the color if you don't want it to be this, so you can just go ahead and leave it at that. And we can also change the opacity of it, the borders, and so much more. And then the elements, which let me just go ahead and change it back to let me just go back to the footer, change footer design, fill color. I'm just going to change it back to so we can see properly here. So for the border, you can just go ahead and actually change it as well if you want it to be more round and so on. Same goes within the corners and shadows as well. And for the content, you can just go ahead and feel free to add any content like you would with any section in your Wix store. So this is pretty much how to add the footer to your Wix website, but I need to note one more thing, is that you can actually do it individually to each page. Meaning, for example, the home page, you actually want it to show the footer and the header. But let's just go to another page here. For example, let me just go to this random page for testing that I have, which is PDF. Let's say I just want to remove the footer for this one. In this case, you can just do the same steps. So you just click on the three dots next to the name of the page, and then you can just go to settings, layout, and make it so that it is without a header or a footer. And we can actually go ahead and see now that it does not have a footer or a header. And if we go back to, if we go back to the home page now, it's going to be there regardless of what the settings that we have set for the other page. So it's going to be independent really. So it's just going to be per page. The settings are going to apply to each one individually. With that being said, this is pretty much how to add a footer within your Wix website. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.